my name is Sarah Tilton. I'm a customer service representative at Osborne Wood Products, and today's video is actually part 2 of our rustic plank tabletop build. In the last video, which you can find the link to in the description down below, we built our rustic plank tabletop, and in this video we're going to add one of our customized table base kits. In your kit, you're going to get pretty much everything that you need to put your table base together. You're going to get your 4 legs, and they are going to come pre-milled for all of your hardware and ready to go. You're also going to get all 4 of your skirt boards, corner brackets, and a packet of hardware. The only thing that your skirt kit is not going to include is screws to attach the table base to the tabletop, because your tabletop is actually going to determine the size of screws that you're going to want to use. So we're going to go ahead and get started by unwrapping everything. Okay, so when you're building, the first thing that you're going to want to do is do a dry run before you add any kind of glue or screw anything together, just to make sure that everything fits. And then you're going to want to start by assembling the long boards and the legs first. And you'll notice when you're assembling them that just like the table base or tabletop kit that we built last time, the table base kit skirt boards will have pocket holes pre-drilled. And you'll want to make sure that the pocket holes are pointed towards your tabletop. Okay, once you get the longer skirt boards attached to your table legs, then you can go ahead and attach the shorter skirt boards in between. From here, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to make sure that you line up your table base kit so that it is centered on your tabletop. Now, I've already gone ahead and made the markings, but you'll want to make sure that you measure in whatever your determined overhang length is. In this case, I measured in 2 inches from each corner and made a little cross so that I would know where to line up my table legs at. And then we're going to go ahead and attach everything and put it together. So now we have our finished table. If you're ready to build one of your own, you can head over to our website and check out all of our plank tabletop kits, which are available in various different sizes depending on how many people you want to seat at your table, or if you want a smaller table like a coffee table or an end table. And you can also customize your table base kits on our website, and you can choose from coffee table legs, end table legs, dining table legs, and island legs, and fully customize your kit from there. And we hope you enjoyed this little series. Be sure you like this video and subscribe if you want to stick around and see the next few Builder Studio videos.